Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a photo cover on the Line app. If you want your Line profile to look more personalized and attractive, this tutorial will guide you through the process easily and quickly. First, open the Line app on your phone. Next, look at the top right corner of the app and tap on the settings icon. Then, from the menu, tap on Profile to open your personal profile settings. Then, click on the camera icon located on the cover area of your profile. After that, choose Select Photo or Video to pick a cover image. You can now browse your phone's gallery and select the photo you want to use. Once you have selected the photo, click on Next at the bottom right. Finally, adjust the photo if needed and click on Done at the bottom to save your new cover. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might find it helpful.